Creating high-converting UGC ads usually takes a lot more time than people think. First, you need to find the right creator, then organize product shots, record multiple takes, edit everything together, and even after all that, there's no guarantee the final ad will actually convert. That's why today, I'm testing Maxfusion AI to see if I can create a realistic AI UGC advertisement from start to finish inside a single platform. We'll generate a realistic creator, build multiple ad variations, and then combine everything into one final ad. Let's get started. To begin, I'm inside Maxfusion AI. One thing I like here is that everything is available inside a single workspace. Instead of jumping between multiple tools, I can create images, generate videos, and combine assets all in one place. For this workflow, I'll be using GPT Image 2 inside Maxfusion AI for image generation, Seedance 2.0 inside Maxfusion AI for video creation, and Merge videos inside Maxfusion AI to build the final advertisement. Every successful UGC ad starts with the creator. If the person doesn't look real, the ad immediately feels artificial. So before doing anything else, I'm going to generate a realistic 24-year-old creator image. The goal isn't to create an AI-looking model. The goal is to create someone who looks like a real person you would actually see in a social media ad. I'm going to generate a few options and choose the one that looks the most natural. Once I find a result I'm happy with, I'll download the image and use it as the main character throughout the entire campaign. Now that I have my creator ready, it's time to bring in the product. For this example, I'm using a skincare product from Amazon. I'll download the main product image and also capture a screenshot of the product listing, so the AI has additional context about the product, its benefits, and how it should be presented inside the ad. Having both the product image and the listing details helps create more accurate and realistic marketing content. With all the assets prepared, we can move into the most exciting part of the workflow. I'm now using Seedance 2.0 inside Maxfusion AI. This is where we'll transform static images into realistic video advertisements. I'll upload my creator image along with the product assets and start generating the first variation. The goal of this first video is to create a natural introduction where the creator talks about discovering the product and shares a genuine first impression.
Guys, I've been obsessed with this cleanser lately. The Anua Heartleaf one, it's been a total game changer for my skin.
After the first video is finished, I'm going to create a second variation using the exact same creator and product assets. Instead of repeating the same angle, this version focuses more on the product experience and why someone might choose it over alternatives. Using the same character while changing the message is a great way to create multiple ad concepts without having to start from scratch each time. I'll enter a new prompt, generate the clip.
Guys, I've been obsessed with this cleanser lately. You have to try it. It's so gentle but gets my skin so clean, especially after a long day.
For the third variation, I'll keep the same creator and product, but take a different advertising angle. This helps create a complete set of creatives that can be tested across different audiences. Rather than relying on a single advertisement, we now have multiple unique versions built from the same core assets. Once again, I'll enter the prompt, generate the video.
Guys, I've been testing this for weeks and my pores have never felt cleaner. This is a holy grail.
At this point, I have 3 separate video clips generated inside Maxfusion AI. Instead of editing them in another application, I can continue working directly inside the platform. I'll open the Merge Videos tool inside Maxfusion AI, upload all 3 generated clips, arrange them in the order I want, and combine them into a single advertisement. This makes it easy to turn multiple short scenes into one polished final creative. After the merge process is complete, the final advertisement is ready.
Guys, I've been obsessed with this cleanser lately. The Anua Heartleaf one, it's been a total game changer for my skin. Guys, I've been testing this for weeks and my pores have never felt cleaner. This is a holy grail. Guys, I've been obsessed with this cleanser lately. You have to try it. It's so gentle but gets my skin so clean, especially after a long day.
What started as a simple product image and a generated creator has now become a complete UGC-style marketing video. The entire workflow happened inside one platform, from image generation to video creation and final assembly. So that's the complete workflow. We generated a realistic creator, brought in a real product, created multiple video variations with Seedance 2.0, and combined everything into a finished advertisement using merge videos. What stands out most is how quickly different creative concepts can be produced without traditional filming, expensive production setups, or complicated editing pipelines. If you're looking for a faster way to create realistic AI-powered marketing content at scale, Maxfusion AI is definitely worth exploring. If you want to try this workflow yourself, be sure to check out my link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.